How to archive orders on Amazon. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Amazon. But once you're in the application, you should know that there is no any option or the feature where you can archive any of the orders. So what else you need to do is, you need to go back and head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari, and then head over to the official site of Amazon and log in into your account. Once logged in, click on this icon. Scroll down and you need to click on Request Desktop Site. Once you are in the desktop site of Amazon, you need to click on Return and Orders. Once you're in here now, in the Orders section, you will be able to see the option where it says Archive. Right now you can see that it is not available in my account. It's because I haven't added any of the orders to my archive. So in order for you to archive, all you gotta do is, once again head over to Orders and then tap on the three dot icon and you'll be able to see the option of Archive. All you gotta do is click on it and then the order will be archived. It means the order will be hidden. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.